Hi, friend. With the economy going up and food prices and gas and electric, and I'm sure water will be next, we need to learn how to save money in every corner of our life. So, when I do dishes, I do them by hand. I do not use my dishwasher. I have it, and I do use it like on holidays because there's a lot of dishes. But throughout the year, this is how I do my dishes. So this has been used because I had the last of it. And, you want to just use every little bit you can. So when I washed dishes last night, I tossed this in, got my sudsy water, and I did my dishes. This here is a baster, like a little thing that you can baste your stuff with. And you got to wash this anyways. So I just use this, and then when I'm done, it doesn't matter if it dries or if, so if you want to wait on using it, you can use it like later that evening if you do this in the morning. And you just put it in the water and it'll suds up for you. So I got a pair of scissors, and this I've been using for a while. But what I do is I just cover it up nice and tight, and I put this whole thing in my drawer. I don't even have to leave it sit on my counter. You don't want an eyesore. So let's get this going, and I'll show you how I save money. Okay, so I've done some of these already, but let me show you how I do it. Now, most people, when they do dishes, they just squeeze the bottle and real quick, and then you get a lot in that squeeze, so you're wasting money. So what I do is I take this and when I put too much in, but you can see that quick squeeze ended up putting too much. So I sit there and I do that, and you can see this right here. But what I want is just a dot, and you can see I only want dots. And you don't have to be perfect. Nobody's going to see this except for you. So you just put dots, and that's it. So you sit there and you allow it to kind of soak in. And you can see. So then what I do is I run my scissors across, and I try to allot every little nook and cranny that I can. And you see that's pretty good size. And sometimes you're going to end up with two dots. I mean, there's just not, two little small dots. But that's okay, because you just got done saving money. So as much as I just got done putting these on here, that would have been most likely one dish load of dishes full. So that way, when you do dishes. So here it is. I have 7 in here already. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 8 right here. So that's 8 dishes right here. That's 8 dish loads of dishes right here. So I put it in here, and I cover it up. And it's that simple. and then I'll show you how it looks when you go to do dishes. So let's get a sink full of dishes going. You always want to put the strip in just as you start the water. So you can see it's sudsing right up. And I didn't use a whole bunch of soap to make my suds. And you can see it works great. And the longer I run the water, the more the suds happens. So with this is how I save money. And you can see they're just little dots. And it soaks in the material. And then I'm able to wash dishes. I have 14 or 16 strips. Actually, I used one, so between 13 and 15 strips. And I'll use that water and that sink of sudsy water. I will use it for my dishes. And then if the water isn't too bad, that's what the water I use to mop my floor. It's economically sound. Like I said, I've had this for about 3 years now. So, and I use this. I don't use a plastic bag. Now, do I use Ziploc bags? Absolutely, I do. I'm not perfect, but this is one way I do save money. This thing's like $6 a bottle, maybe even more, I don't know. I think it was like $5 something on sale, $5.95 on sale a couple of, 2-3 years ago, about 3 years ago. And, so if you can stretch $1, I'm telling you, with the way everything is today, with the SNAP or EBT being, lowered for people, so you're having to take your extra money and replace what you're losing. And with this, I just, if you can save on this stuff, you can put money towards your food. And I don't know about you, but I'm really sick of this economy. I'm sick of how the inflation has really, skyrocketed. In order to have eggs, you got to be a rich man. In order to be able to eat, you have to be a rich man. Well, this is one way of saving money. Doing your dishes is an everyday chore, but if you can save money doing it, why not? I don't wait until my water's hot. I just start filling it up. Cold water, hot water. That's how I do my dishes. I make sure they're clean. I make sure they're rinsed good. And I only use a little bit. I use enough that most people would use in one setting. I use in 14, 15 settings. So to me, that's a win-win. It's good soap, and I don't have to go without the good soap, but I also don't have to buy this once a week or twice a month, or even once a month, So I buy it once, and I try to make it last me as close to 4 or 5 years as humanly possible. And I know sometimes it's not going to work. And again, like I said, I'm not perfect, but these are just one way to save money. And hey, give it a try. What's it gonna hurt? I'm sure you have rags or shirts or jeans or some kind of material that can actually be thrown away or given to a thrift store. Well, why not use it? I use them for dusting, I use them for wiping things down, and I use them for my dishes. Okay, friend. Well, I hope you guys have deemed some kind of knowledge on this, and maybe you can implement it in your lifestyle. It only takes a few minutes, and like I said, I use this to kind of brush things out a little bit. I do have a little bit on it, so I will use this for a later use. It dries well, and then when you put it under hot or even cold soapy water, it literally suds up at your water, and you don't waste none. Okay, friend. So this is one video of saving money. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you're new, subscribe, and more videos to come. Bye, friend.